So today's video, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing another Wraith package. Yo, what's going on guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Right, so for those of you guys that don't know who Wraith Energy is, that's their logo. When it focuses, that's their logo, that's not even the right thing. That's the logo, it's this. Wraith Energy. I'm in a partnership with them, and yeah. But no guys, on a serious note, Wraith Energy, it is basically, you get the shakers, like if you buy the shaker obviously you get the shaker. It's energy, and literally all you gotta do is put it with water. It's just like powder, it's like a protein shake if you go to the gym. It's literally that. And you just mix it with water. You don't have to just mix it with water, you can mix it with anything else. Like I've tried it with Dr. Pepper, lemonade, Monster Energy, which I wouldn't advise. Like I just wouldn't, because the next day you feel shit. But yeah, that's a brief introduction to Wraith. It's got no added sugar, like there's no sugar in it, so it's good for you, I suppose, in some ways. Some ways it's good, some ways it's not. But yeah, I'm just coming to open this box and I ain't got a fucking knife, so I'm gonna have to go and get a knife. So I'm gonna briefly explain why I haven't been uploading any videos, especially like this past month. And I've got my excuses. I always do. I mean, I've got my excuses. So I started off getting all my hoodies ready to sell. I'm gonna talk about that in a bit. Yeah, all my hoodies are back, like practically ready. I'm just waiting for the time to like release them now. So I've been spending a lot of time on that, talking to the guy that designs them, just basically making sure everything's right. So I haven't really been focusing on videos as much. And another thing is, I've made a second channel especially for gaming, because some of you people that have been watching my channel, you'll know I upload gaming and car videos and all sorts of other shit. But I knew I had a mix of audience. Like I had people from gaming commenting on my car videos, and I didn't want that. It's like vice versa as well. So I just thought I might as well make a new channel. So the link to that will be in the description. If you're interested in gaming, then feel free to go and follow that. We've got a Wraith package, like I say, and we've got a lot of it. That's, yeah, we've definitely got a lot of it. So we've got a mixture of all sorts of things. We've got stickers, we've got actual Wraith Energy, and we've got a new shaker because I wanted a new one, because this is a part of the new release. So yeah, we got starter pack, which is basically these. You get, they're just little sachets, they're called single sachets, so one of them will fill up that. Okay, just read the instructions. If you're going to buy Wraith, read the instructions. Link in the description. Use code Ashley10 for 10% off your order. So yeah, the flavours that we've got is, we've got a sour apple, which I haven't tried yet. Watermelon twist, which is, I want to buy the big tub version of this, hence why I've got that. And emerald abyss, which I've already got a tub of that, but it's always good to have a little packet, I suppose. If I get any more stuff like this sent out, guys, what do you think about me doing a giveaway? Should I give away some stuff from Wraith? Should I not? I don't know, you let me know in the comments. We've got some Wraith stickers. These are better than the old ones. Oh no, they're pretty much the same, except for they actually sell them in packs now. We'll get into that in a minute. The most important thing is the Wraith Tallboy shaker. So as you can see, size difference. There is quite a big size difference. So these are the Tallboys. They haven't been released that long, like a couple of weeks I want to say. I should know that really, because I share everything they put on Twitter. You get your little coil ball in it, like for mixing all your stuff up. So you leave that in there, you put your water or whatever it is you're mixing it with, and then you put your shit in, your Wraith bollocks, and then give it a shake, get a bit of that, and then that's squash, by the way, that's not Wraith. That's what we've got from Wraith. So I'm going to get into the stickers now and just see what we've got, because I can't actually remember what's what. So we've got the Tallboy shaker in purple. We've got a big Wraith logo, which is obviously the same as what's on the back. I've got a smaller version of this on the back of my camera, on the flip up bit. what else we got? We got the tub, like the sticker on the tub. I've already got one of them, it's on my desk. And then we've got an 8-bit Wraith logo, which looks sick. That actually looks fucking sick. Like that's that in a logo. Like that is sick. I think that's sick. That is sick. Yo. Hey. We got some more stuff here. They've changed the stickers. These stickers are so much better than the old ones. I mean, the old ones was good, but they've made them a bit bigger, which I like. Like that's quite big compared to the old one. But yeah, that's the Wraith logo, like both the logos put together. It's pretty sick. The Wraith arcade machine, that's pretty sick. The regular Wraith shaker, which is the little pink one that I've got. And then my favourite sticker of all is the Wraith toasty, and it says "Let's get this bread," and it's got Wraith instead of Warburtons. And then you got the Wraith crew up here. Shout out to you guys. Without them people, we wouldn't be making this video. We wouldn't have the Wraith partnership. And yeah, I wouldn't be hydrated. I'd literally be like I'd be a dust particle in my bedroom without them. I literally would just be a dust particle. Anyway, yeah, that's basically everything. Also, guys, I was halfway through filming this, and the door decided to knock, and I'll show you exactly what I've just had delivered, and that is sick. In fact, that is wicked. That is wicked sick. So, one of my old sponsors, but I'm not really sponsored by them anymore. I mean, I still have a code for them, but I don't like. It's an awkward situation. Like it doesn't matter. Anyway, this is from the whole gaming side of my channel. Fatal Grips, you've probably heard of them. They sent me out some grips basically, and apparently they've got a 2-for-1 sale or something. I don't know. So you buy one and you get another. I mean, you know what 2-for-1 is. Why am I even explaining what two? Oh. So yeah, that's literally just come straight after the Wraith package. But yeah, we got these. You're gonna focus? Gonna focus or what? No. What if I zoom? Is that gonna make it worse? Doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter. But yeah, we got the. That's basically the logo on the grips. I can't even show you because it doesn't focus. But yeah, Fatal Grips. We've got them for my controller, and then we got a blue pair as well. So I'm going to keep these in the packet because I might put them in with the giveaway. If you guys want me to do a giveaway, back to that question, guys. Should I do a giveaway? Should I give away some stickers from Wraith, some Wraith Energy, and maybe a shaker? Not this one because, you know, I wanted this one for a reason. It's mine. You're not having it. But yeah, what do you guys reckon? Drop a comment down below. So yeah, briefly going back onto the topic about the whole gaming channel thing that I've started. The story behind it is I didn't want two audiences on one channel. I know I've explained it already, but just to make things a bit clearer, I was having people comment on my car videos from gaming, asking, like, saying different games to play and stuff. And then it didn't look right because when people from the car industry looked on my car videos and seen that people from gaming was commenting on it, it looked a bit weird, or I thought it did anyway, I'm not sure. Might just be me being a weirdo. But yeah, either way, I didn't really like the idea of it, so I decided I'll try a second channel, see what it's like. So far it's going alright. I mean, I got 40 subscribers in the first week. I think I've had it just less than a week. So yeah, it's not going too bad at the minute. Like I say, I'll leave a link down below. I'll also leave a link for Wraith as well. Use my code Ashley10 for 10% off. Doesn't sound like a lot, but 10% goes quite a long way when you like spend more money, I suppose. So go and spend all your money, like, you know, payday's around the corner. Also, Ashley Bing hoodies, like I said, they're initial AB hoodies. So yeah, for those interested, the AB initial hoodies drop on the 30th of August, which is 6 days away from me filming this video. So if you want a hoodie, guys, message me, because what I'm not doing is buying them in like getting them in bulk for people to like buy off me straight away. I'm literally making them to order, so when you order it, I'll start making them then. Like, that's how I'm going to do it, because I don't want to put myself into any debt by spending like £100 on hoodies and then having to not sell them for any reason, and then I'll go into my own debt, which I don't want. So if you guys want a hoodie, let me know, message me on either Instagram, whatever it is. All my links are in the description, and let me know if you want a hoodie. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Go and follow Wraith on all their social media. I'll have links down below as well for that. Remember, Ashley code 10, 10% off. 30th of August, hoodies are going to drop. So keep your eyes peeled for that, guys. My website's down below so you can see when hoodies drop as well. And I'll see you in the next video.